What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. I am meteorologist named Kenny, and I hope you all are having an amazing week and have been able to get outside in this absolutely gorgeous weather. It has been an absolutely gorgeous start for this whole entire week. We've been in the low 80s here in northeastern South Carolina, and while we're getting really nice weather here, back out towards the west in the Gulf Coast, places like Louisiana, they are getting hammered with thunderstorms, and that will be the case all throughout this week as we have a stationary front that is basically stationary there and will bring rounds of storms and possibly up to an inch of rain. And then we have another system that is back up there in the interior northwest that could possibly bring some more snow during this month of March, all right? And before I start this video, I want to let you all know that I'm doing two parts just to try and save as much time as possible. The first part will feature all information about the southern storms that we have, and the second part will feature everything about that northwestern snow, right? And once again, please be sure that if you are not already subscribed to my channel, you hit that subscribe button, and you also click that notification bell so that way you do not miss out on any videos. I'm currently at 90 subscribers, and my goal is to see at 100 by June 21st of this year, which is actually my birthday. So that can be your birthday. That can be y'all's birthday gift to me, giving me that 100 subscribers by June 21st. All right. So here's our current setup. Here's the system that I was just telling you about. That's the system that is going to be bringing all the snow, and then there's that stationary front that is going to be bringing all those storms down there in the south. So as we go throughout the next few days, this is going to be our area to watch for the most severe storms and possibly up to maybe 3 to 5 inches of rain. And then this is going to be our big area because of this huge dip in the jet stream pattern. Very cold temperatures here coming down from northern Canada, so that will bring us a very good chance of snow in the interior northwest and also in the Colorado Rockies. All right, and just a quick look at how much rain has fallen within the last 7 days. Unfortunately, in this exact same area that is going to be getting all the rain, we're looking at almost up to a foot of rain in so many places that are going to be very hard affected by very heavy rain this week, which is not a good thing at all and not anything you ever want to see, all right? So here's a better look at what is going on here in the Gulf Coast region. As I just said, very heavy thunderstorms there. We haven't had any tornado warnings yet, but we have had some severe thunderstorm warnings today. I've been watching my radar very, very closely. There has been very strong areas of very strong winds, possibly gusting up to tropical storm forest, but thankfully no rotation has been indicated in the atmosphere that would possibly indicate a tornado warning, which is a very good thing. But very heavy rain here. There's several rain warnings out and also several flash flood warnings out. So if you live in this general area, definitely be on the lookout for some possible severe storms as you go through the rest of tonight, all right? So as you go into the rest of tonight, as I just said, here's that chance for severe storms, plenty of snow there, and then our system is really starting to ramp up. So this is going to be our most area of concern for that snowy weather. But back out here along the eastern coast, gorgeous weather, especially there for you in Charlotte, North Carolina, and Atlanta, Georgia. Look at that, 85 in Atlanta, Georgia. Very, very warm. And then as you go into Wednesday, because of this stationary front here not moving, it's consecutive days with very heavy rainfall, possibly even some severe weather as you go through Wednesday and Thursday. And then there's our other system really starting to ramp up. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about that system coming up in just a few minutes. And then as you go into Thursday, still, I mean, we're talking about over 3 to 4 days of very heavy rain in places like Corpus Christi, Texas, New Orleans, Louisiana, and then going up probably to Lake Charles, Louisiana, and Lafayette, all right? So very heavy rain. And then as we get into Thursday, this possibly will even extend to eastern Florida and also eastern Georgia, all right? So this is the end of part one. In the next part, I'm going to be telling you all more information about that winter system. So hang on tight, and I'll be right with you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to part two of my broadcast. In the last part, I talked all about mostly our severe weather that is going to be happening because of that stationary front down there basically stalled over the Gulf Coast. And now I want to talk about this big pattern change that could possibly bring several inches of snow during our springtime, which is not anything, anybody really wants to see, all right? So once again, here's a current look at what our jet stream pattern is doing. A big dip in the jet stream pattern being brought down, all this cold air from Canada, and possibly over several feet of snow to the north, to the interior northwest, and also the Colorado Rockies, all right? So I want to basically, put this out. I just talked about this, so I want to basically I'm not going to stand right here because I'm going to be in front of the projector, but just make sure, all your focus is on this side, all right? So very heavy snow there in places like Salt Lake City, Utah, possibly not like Salt Lake City, actually. I think it'll just be north of that, but still not a day that you want to be out. And then as you go into Thursday, right here, in northern Wyoming, southern Montana, and then going up into also Utah, Very heavy snow there. And then also going into April, this thing is going to be basically stationary, just like our system down here. So places like Denver, Colorado, Rapid City, and then also getting into western Nebraska, western South Dakota, and also eastern Wyoming is the areas that we're going to be watching for the most snow. And then also we have another system that is working that will be working its way up into the New England areas, bringing a lot of places like Boston, Massachusetts, New York City, Providence, Rhode Island, possibly maybe, and then also Syracuse, New York, a decent chance of seeing some snow or even some wintry weather as you go into Friday. All right, and please be sure that if you have not already headed to my website yet, you go check that out. All you have to do is just type in lamesweather.org into your search bar. And once again, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that way I can hit that goal of 100 by June 21st. All right. So that is all I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.